Hey guys, we are here at a triangle. We are going to the Niludhan Falls and I'm so excited because I'm just going to be splashing around. We're on our way now and we just stopped here because it's a beautiful place. So now let's go because I'm so excited. Going out of the Bayawan City Arc. Welcome to Balao Balawan. From Bayawan to Niludhan Falls, this is our first stop. If we weren't late, we would see the sea of clouds. But we woke up at 6 a.m. in the morning. That's why we wouldn't see it. Over there is the Danapat Nature Reserve. Also watch that video because it was actually pretty nice. And as you can see guys, I'm wearing a jacket because it is so cold. Let's find out the next stop. We are at the crossing section going to Barangay Kalumbayan and Barangay Dawis. Let us go straight to Barangay Dawis. This is our second stop. We're here at Narang, Ardell Spring. If you want to go swimming, you can stop here. Third stop, LF Pig. Come on, let's go. You wanna eat? You can eat. You wanna drink coffee? You can drink coffee. And while you sip on your delicious coffee, you can watch a view. Let's go. We also have a menu. I used to call this menu. Oh, I love natives. I would recommend this place for relaxing. Finally, we eating spicy food. Let us eat pancit canton and kamote delight. Delicious. Okay, so guys, we are here and the owner actually know me. I'm so flattered and amazed that they know me. I guess they're watching my videos. They actually know me. Wow. This is a place of very nice and accommodating owner. Welcome to LFP! I think our next stop is so far. Let's go! Welcome to the cliff top view. I thought this was far, but it was... The favorite of all, ice cream! This is our fourth stop, cliff top view. What I see is a beautiful view, greenery, and some chairs, some beautiful decoration, and it's so windy. You can enjoy the sunset, maybe the sea of clouds, and you can even bring your tent here for an overnight. But we're just gonna overnight at our house, okay? Don't have money. That is the Barangay Dawis Hospital. Tabuan at Barangay Dawis. Welcome to the entrance of the Niludhan Falls. This water is leading us to the Niludhan Falls. Wow! It is so big and beautiful. I love it so much. Yeah, it's so beautiful. Up there, see that? play ugly waterfall, and then we're going to massive. Niludhan Falls, and I am so amazed. It's stunning, it's beautiful, it's even really tall. I love here, okay? I love it here. It's beautiful. I love the rocks. As you can see, guys, it is clean here. You know, there's someone who's maintaining the place. There are also garbage cans. So if you want to come here, please be responsible and throw your trash in the right can. Over there in Randall, I have plastic of both. The purpose of this was to pick up garbage and put it in here. But when I saw the place, it was sparkling clean. It is beautiful, spotless. I guess we don't need this anymore. Many plastics destroy the world. But this plastic, my plastic, and will be your plastic, will save the world. I hope many will be encouraged not to throw garbage anywhere. I hope many will pick up the trash someone had thrown. I hope all of us will make recycling a habit. In behalf of all of the children all over the world, we hope to this plastic of hope, tomorrow it will be greener and brighter. Nature is everything. We lose ourselves, and at the same time, we will find ourselves. Again, this is me, Niludhan, the English Sherang Bisaya, saying, let us be responsible. Enjoy your day.